In other news, Kenya and Uganda have signed a bilateral agreement that will facilitate the smooth flow of fish exports from Lake Turkana in Kenya through Uganda to the Democratic Republic of Congo, DRC. The formulated framework has established a multi-agency team to design the modality of fish transportation to DRC with ease. This comes as a sigh of relief to fish traders who have been facing challenges in fish exportation.
Fishing industry contributes about 0.5% of the national GDP and about 2% of the national export earnings. According to the draft Marine Fisheries Regulations 2022 and Lake Turkana Fisheries Management Plan, Kenya will earn at least 100 billion shillings and create 240,000 jobs annually once the new regulations in the fishing industry are fully implemented. The industry has been facing major challenges during fish exportation, which has prompted various discussions between Kenya and its counterparts. The Kenya and Uganda governments have developed a framework to ensure smooth transit of the commodity from Lake Turkana to the Democratic Republic of Congo without interference. The development comes after a fish consignment of at least 300 tons of fish worth 40 million shillings destined for the Democratic Republic of Congo were confiscated by Ugandan authorities in October last year. The document formulation began on 1st March 2022 after a delegation from both Kenya and Uganda traveled to Turkana to establish the source of dry fish. Kenya and Uganda have now agreed on several issues, including setting up a multi-agency team headed by respective county commissioners of Turkana, Samburu, Marsabit and Busia for a smooth transition of fish from Lake Turkana to DRC Congo through Uganda.
We agreed on having a multi-agency teams in the regions that were affected, and I'm happy that today we are culminating that process, the signing of the smooth transition and movement of fish from Kenya to DRC through Uganda. We look forward to enriching this and ensuring that our peoples can be able to move and trade and transact business without hindrances. And of course, this is for the benefit of all of us in the spirit of the East African community integration.
The framework will address the challenges that faced the Kenyan fishermen at that time. Fish traders have been urged to apply the framework and fish in a sustainable way.
We agreed to set up a framework that would enable the fishing, the exploitation, or that would enable the trade in fish, especially transit trade to the DRC, to take place without any roughness, without any interference. All the factors that have been hindering this fish trade have been taken care of.
Part of the framework calls for joint inspection of the fish consignment by both Kenya and Uganda authorities at the Busia one-stop border post before they proceed for their destination. Reporting for Lunchtime News, I am Teresa Mutai.